My name is Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D cube in Photoshop. And I'm going to go and select the square tool, the rectangle tool, and select two colors, one light, one dark, not black and white because this will be really hard to see. So select some grays or some blues, it doesn't matter, but just make sure that they're contrasted. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hold down Shift and draw a square. And then I'm going to go up to my selection tool and make sure that you have it selected, because if not, it's going to get really tricky for you. And then hold down Option, and this will make this little double arrow, and just drag it like so. So that way now you've got a copy of the shape. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use the pen tool. And this part might get a little tricky for you, so what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have your grid on, and I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to want to go to View and go to Show and Grid. And this will open up your grid so that you know where your square is, so you can set your square. So I'll show you like that. And just set it on a part of the square that is, so that you're able to understand where to connect your square. For example, mine, I need it on a line so that I can connect to another line. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the pen tool, which is right in your toolbar, right next to the text button. And you're going to switch your colors so that the darker one is now the select color. And you're just going to find where your corner edge is. So mine is about right here. And sometimes Photoshop will snap to its grid, and that's all right if that happens. And you can do this one of a couple ways. Actually, the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. So you just want to snag every corner. Sometimes it'll take a couple of minutes to get it adjusted, as you can see. Because I have my grid showing, it's going to try and put your line on one of the grid points. And it's almost finished. Okay, so now I've got my other part of my square drawn, and then I'm gonna fill my path. Oh, and then make sure that when you're gonna fill your path, you don't fill it on one of your shape layers. You wanna make sure that it's on a new layer, because otherwise it won't fill it. And then just make sure you delete your path. My name is Cecilio, and this is how you draw a 3D cube in Photoshop. Thank you.
Nice.